All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Citizen Information Network. Now you the watch. My name na Akporero Henry Akpos. We dey live now for Idumagbo Avenue for Lagos Island. Based on the heavy downpour that Lagos has experienced for the past couple of days, we are now to check the area as to how the community is, and according to what we are seeing now, the erosion, as in the water, the level of the damage that water has caused, the pictures you're seeing now, the images you're seeing, is actually the area. And we'll speak to a few persons that live in this area to get their opinions and their reaction, of course, as to what caused this erosion. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, you live in this area?
I'm living in this area. And I'm selling. I'm a businessman from this area too.
Okay. If you tell us about this road?
This road has been started more than 14 years like this, and we have invited the councillor and the local government too, but we are not seeing the result of it. That's how we all everything. Even though most, especially commissioner, minister, they are on this road, but past this road, and they are saying it like this. No, if we are saying anything we are saying, they will not answer us on this thing. Even though we called the local government of chairman, he came here and he told us that there is no capacity for this thing unless federal government can assist on this road like this.
Okay. The way as the water now, for what we see, the water it does not flow out. There's no link. There's no avenue whereby the water flows through. Was it like this before, 14 years ago?
Not like this, sir. Not like this. It's not like this.
So what happened? What blocked that the drainage?
What I saw it there is what I can tell people on what I see. If you are going like the there is new estate there. Any water that is flowing up from our side here, it will land to that place. But they have blocked all that place.
Past 14 years now, we have been suffering for this water. We go to the local government. Even before we go to the local government, all these people that are sending rich wash, all the building material, chemical people, gather money about 400,000 naira to do the erosion. But there's no solution. So we write letter to the local government. This chairman told us that you don't have power to do this place for us.
Olusi, only chairman local government. Lagos Island local government. All of our rubbish was in office here. And the people who are not people who are not happy. Now 44, not power attention, no what we go. Conditions were in. Oh, you know, constituency what's by. I can go to the minutes. And by a shop, we're going to go. Don't know about it. Today about going alone. I can't mind all over. And come about young.
So, those that do business here, how does this affect their business?
All of our customers now, they have run for us because we don't have any customer again because of this water. Because we here now, we are taking rent house to pay school fees. It's difficult for us now to pay. Olusi told us that you don't have power to do this thing for us. It's unfair. We are all Nigeria.
How about health-wise, as in the pollution, the smell? How do you people survive it?
The odor is affect us. We don't have any alternative. Go to rent another shop now. If you don't have money, almost 3 million naira to collect another shop. So we don't have power to just plead for the government to help us do this place.
Yes, first of all, on behalf of the community, I will appreciate the effort of the local government chairman, Prince Olusi, for his attention to our area. By now, there is a construction street going on at Aroloya. But by Odogiwa Idumagbo Avenue, he has made an attention to it for long, about 2-3 times, but all his efforts improve about it, about that very place. And series of letters have been written to the Lagos State government. Series of letters in respect of that place. That place has been stagnated of water for the past 1 year, and it's affecting the area, both the people living at the area and the traders. Things are not going well at all in that place, and we want the government, we want governments to pay attention, serious attention. That place is beyond what local government can do. It is the state government with the cooperation with the cooperation of the local government. That is.
Sir, we spoke to some of the residents there, and then they told us that it has not always been like that. That this development is just recently. What actually happened? The drainage in the area. What actually stopped the water from flowing?
Our own belief from our researches, the problem started from the Adeniji down the ocean, where it was blocked. That is one of the major problems that affected that area. And that area, if there is at times, if the water corporation took away the water, take away the water will be minimized. But as soon as we open the water, it will come full again. The drainage is blocked. Technically, it's the people that are working on that field that we know. But what we know that there is a stagnation of water for the past 1 year there.
Thank you very much, sir.
I think that
So we need very urgent attention. We need very urgent attention of the state government. And I pray that as soon as the new governor hear this, he will rescue us in this problem.
Well, sir, we also hope that he does. Thank you very much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now Still Citizen Information Network, now in you the watch, and now Idumagbo Avenue, here for inside Lagos Island, and in with the we heard from the people here as to their opinions as to the cause of this erosion. According to them, their businesses have been stagnated, even health-wise. They can't breathe freely, and the efforts for the local government chairman to work on the areas have fell on deaf ears, because according to them, he said that it's not in his hands to repair the road. The demolition that happened across Lagos Island recently has also played a significant part in the state of this road, and we hope that soon this issue can be resolved, and the people, those that are doing business, those that are living here, they can return back to their normal lives. My name is Akporero Henry Akpos, and a Citizen Information Network, now you the watch. Thank you very much.